Hi everybody, my name is Justine and today I'm going to explain you how to draw to scale. Here we have the measurements and we have 580 centimeters and 385 centimeters. The scale is 3 centimeters to 1 meter. The first step is to convert centimeters to meters. So we have 580 centimeters. We divided it by 100 because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So here is the result, 5.8 meters. Then we take the second, that is 385 centimeters. We divide it by 100 and the answer is 3.85 meters. Now that we convert these to meters, we multiply by the scale. In this case, it's 3, so we multiply 5.8 meters multiplied by 3, and the answer is 17.4. And then we have 3.85 meters multiplied by 3 and the answer is 11.55. Our draw counter is 17.4 centimeters multiplied by 11.55 centimeters. Here is the example. This is our scale, and on this side it's 580 centimeters and on this side is 385 centimeters. Thanks for your attention.